Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to add sound effect on PowerPoint step by step. I'll be showing you this on Windows. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and click on the slide where you want to add the sound effect. You'll see your slides in the left sidebar, just click the one you want. Once you've clicked it, that slide appears in the main editing area. Now click the Insert tab on the top ribbon. It's typically the second tab from the left. When you click it, the ribbon updates to show all your insert options. Look over to the far right side of the ribbon for the Media section and click the Audio button. If the Media section looks collapsed, click to expand it first. Once you click Audio, a drop-down menu appears with your audio insertion options. From that drop-down, click Audio on my PC. This opens the Insert Audio dialog box where you can browse your computer's files. Navigate through your folders to find the sound effect file you want to use. Click on it so the file name appears highlighted. Make sure it's in a supported format. MP3 or WAV work best for compatibility. Once you've selected your file, click the Insert button in the bottom right of the dialog box. A speaker icon appears on your slide. That's your audio file. You can drag this icon anywhere on the slide. If you're using multiple audio files, it helps to put them all in the same spot so you can find them easily. Now let's set how the audio plays. Click on the speaker icon if it's not already selected. The Playback tab appears automatically in the top ribbon. Click on it. You'll see all your playback options here. In the Playback tab, find the Start drop-down on the left side. Click it and you'll see three options: On click, automatically, or play in background. On click means you'll need to click the speaker icon during your presentation. Automatically makes the sound play as soon as the slide appears. Pick whichever works for your presentation. While you're in the Playback tab, you can also check the box for Hide During Show. If you set the audio to play automatically, this hides the speaker icon when you're presenting. There's also Loop Until Stopped if you want the sound to repeat, and Rewind after playing if you want it to reset when it finishes. To test your audio, click the play button on the speaker icon itself, or press 5 to run the slideshow and see how it works in context. If you set it to On Click, remember you'll need to click the slide to trigger the sound. The audio file gets embedded in your PowerPoint file when you save, so it travels with your presentation. If the speaker icon is in an awkward spot on your slide, just drag it to a corner or somewhere less visible. And if you need a sound effect to play across multiple slides, use the Play in Background option instead. That makes the audio continue through your slide transitions. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.